tell you how to pick suitable handheld reader with Overstar products HY820 and K8. There are several factors for you to decide. The first one is Android system. This one have Android line. This one don't have any Android system, but it have cheaper costs. The second one is RFID chip. We mainly have R2000 chip from Impage company, but we also have E710 available now, which is also cheaper. The last one is a terminal game. It will decide the maximum read range in your actual application. For example, with R2000 chip inside and the 40 bell terminal, this handheld reader can have a 50-meter read range maximum. So we think these are all suggestions for you to pick a right handheld reader. Thank you.